Hello students, in this video we are going to learn 9th standard maths chapter 5 coordinate geometry exercise 5.2 second sum. Determine whether the given set of points in each case are collinear or not. Okay, what do you mean by collinear? Collinear means the given set of points are lie on the same straight line. So those points are called collinear points. Okay. So if we join these 3 points, it will be a straight line. So in that case, those points are called collinear points. Okay. So our first question is given 3 points 7, -2, 5, 1, 3, 4. Name first point as A, 7, -2, and then B point is 5, 1, C point is 3, 4. So, our procedure is to find the distance between every pair of points. Okay, first we have to find out the distance between A and B, and then find out the distance between B and C, and then find out the distance between A and C. So our formula is to find the collinear points means AB plus BC equal to CA. If we add any two distance, the third distance will come. Okay, so that is our procedure to find out the collinear points. Okay, okay. So first we have to find out the distance between A and B. AB equal to, so take the first two pairs 7, -2 and then 5, 1. So this is as x1, y1, x2, y2. So formula is x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. Okay. Substitute all the values for x1, y1, x2, y2. x2 is nothing but 5. 5 minus 7 the whole square plus y2 is 1. 1. Here one formula minus. Here we are having 1 minus 2. So these two negative signs become positive. So plus 2 the whole square equal to square root of 5 minus 7 is nothing but minus 2 the whole square plus 1 plus 2 is 3 square. So minus 2 square is minus 2 into minus 2. So plus 4 plus 3 square is 9 equal to square root of 13 units. So this is our distance AB. And then now we are going to find out the distance between B and C. Our B point is nothing but 5, 1. C is 3, 4. BC equal to square root of, take this as x1, y1, this as x2, y2. x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square equal to square root of x2 is 3, 3 minus 5 the whole square plus 4 minus 1 the whole square equal to square root of 3 minus 5 is nothing but minus 2. Minus 2 the whole square plus 3 square equal to square root of minus 2 the whole square is 4 plus 3 square is 9. Again root 13 units. Next, our next step is to find out the distance between A and C. C is 3, 4. Our AC distance is square root of x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square equal to square root of x2 is x1 y1, x2 y2. So 3 minus 7 the whole square plus y2 is 4 minus of minus 2, so plus 2 the whole square. Okay, again square root of 3 minus 7 is nothing but minus 4 the whole square plus 4 plus 2 is 6 square. So square root of minus 4 the whole square is nothing but minus 4 into minus 4. So plus 16 plus 6 square is 36 equal to square root of 52. How will you find out the square root value for 52? First you have to factorize 52. 2 table, 2 2s are 4, 6 2s are 12, again 2 table 13. Okay, so we have to take a pair of numbers. Okay, so these two these two we have to get 2 outside, and this 13 has no pair, so you keep this 13 as in the square root itself. So 2 root 13 units is our answer. This is our distance between A and C. Now we are going to add any two distance. We will get the third distance. Okay, I am going to add AB distance and BC distance. Our AB distance and BC distance. Our AB distance is nothing but root 13. Our BC distance is nothing but again root 13. So if we add these two root 13, what will we get? 2 root 13. This 2 root 13 is the distance between A and C. Am I correct or not? So our AC distance is 2 root 13. So this is our AC distance. So this is our formula for finding the collinear points. Therefore A, B and C are collinear. Collinear means all the 3 points lie on the same straight line. So that is our procedure. Second subdivision, we have to verify these 3 points are collinear points or not. So name the first point as A comma minus 2, second point as B, A comma 3, our third point is C, A comma 0. So we have to find out the distance between each pairs. So first take A and B, find out the distance between A and B. A comma minus 2, our B point is A comma 3. So our AB distance, take this as x1 y1, this as x2 y2. Okay, first AB distance, square root of x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square equal to square root of x2 is nothing but A minus A the whole square plus y2 is 3. 3 minus of minus 2 means plus 2. So whole square equal to A minus A is 0. So we can cancel these two numbers, and then 3 plus 2 is 5. 5 square. Square root of 5 square is nothing but 25. Square root of 25 is 5. So 5 units. This is our AB distance. Now we are going to find out the distance between B and C. B is A comma 3. Our C distance, C point is A comma 0. Take this as x1 y1, this as x2 y2. So our BC distance is square root of x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square equal to square root of x2 is nothing but A, x1 is nothing but again A minus A the whole square plus 0 minus 3 the whole square equal to square root of these two A gets cancelled. So 0 minus 3 is nothing but minus 3 the whole square. Okay, minus 3 the whole square means minus into minus plus 9 equal to square root of 9 is nothing but 3 units. Now we are going to find out the distance between A and C. A point is A comma minus 2. Our C point is A comma 0. AC distance is square root of x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square equal to square root of x2 is nothing but A. So x1 y1, x2 y2, A minus A the whole square plus 0 minus of minus 2. So plus 2 the whole square equal to square root of this is 0. 0 plus 2 is nothing but 2. 2 square. 2 square is 4. Square root of 4 is nothing but 2 units. Okay. Now we are going to add any two distances. We will get the other distance, third distance. Okay. So now I am going to add BC distance and CA distance. Then only we get the distance of A and B. Okay. AB distance. Now I am going to add BC and CA. CA is nothing but AC. So we can write anything. So our BC distance is 3 units. Our CA distance is 2 units. So we will get 5. So our 5 units distance is the distance between A and B. Am I correct or not? So this is our distance between A and B. So therefore our points A, B and C are collinear points. That's all. Thank you, students.